Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Primatec New Tek textile clean. This one is a low foaming upholstery and alcantara cleaner, which I received from primatec.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I'm going to clean most probably some car seats with it. I still didn't make up my mind, but we'll see by the time I get there. Let's roll.
A couple hundred miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind. Wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind.
Shade of doubt hanging around, got old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone, I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you belong.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Primatec New Tek textile and alcantara cleaner. I cannot really tell what it smells like. It reminds me to one of these degreasers or hand washes that we used in the 80s and 90s here in Hungary. It was called Ultraderm. I don't know if you are familiar with. So I cannot really put it somewhere where it is exactly, but it reminds me to that scent. So it's not bad. It's not the greatest either, though. Other than that, I cleaned the 2 front seats with it, and as the car is not even 2.5 years old, and of course I'm kind of looking after as much as I can, these seats were not crazy dirty, but still it removed some of the dirt, whatever was in the seat. So I can hands-on health recommend it's okay. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.